In the previous video, we learned about the various templates offered in the Campaign Builder. In this video, you'll learn the basics of how to design an email campaign to send to your contacts. From the Campaign Builder page, click Design Email. On the Template step for this example, we'll choose a basic one-column template from the Layout section. On the Design step, content blocks are available on the right to add and format text, upload images, link to files, and more. Depending on the template you choose, you can add, move, delete, and replicate content blocks to create the look and feel you want. If you decide that the template you're using isn't the right fit, select Template from the drop-down menu and choose Switch Templates. Any content you already added will automatically transfer to fit your new template. Templates automatically pull in your default logo if you have uploaded one to the Content Studio. But you can also change that by clicking the Edit Content Block icon and replacing the image. If you would like to know more about uploading a logo to the file manager, feel free to check out the article in the knowledge base. Next, let's edit our text with a customized message. All templates show placeholder text to help you design your campaign. We can edit this using the toolbar above the text box or by clicking directly on the section we would like to edit. Once you've written your message, you can change the background color, font style and size in the Style tab, or select a new column layout and settings. Click Save and Close once you're satisfied with your content. Let's add another image to this campaign. To do this, we'll drag in the image content block and then select Browse from the content block options that appear. This will bring up the Content Studio, where you can select from any images you may have already uploaded. If you haven't uploaded any images yet, you can select Upload to search your files for your image. Once you have your image selected, you can select Insert to add that to the content block. If you would like to edit your image, you can select Edit from the new content block options to access the photo editor. Click Save to apply your edits. There are more style and setting options available if you would like to add a border, round your image, or change the alignment, margins, or dimensions of the image. Select Save and Close to close the content block options once you are finished editing the image. Feel free to try out any of the other content blocks and edit the content, style, and settings of those to really customize your campaigns. From here, this template is pre-populated with the Social Follow content block, Twitter, Facebook, and website icons. And we can change or add more social media channels by selecting from the drop-down list. Find a selection of style options in the Style tab, or change the icon style and placement in Settings. We can customize the footer to be as simple or elaborate as we want, as long as we include certain information required by anti-spam laws and Mailchimp's terms of use. Check out the knowledge base article for more details on how to customize your footer content. Once we have all the content blocks organized and styled how we like, we'll open up the Design section of the Campaign Builder to start adding our brand style to the campaign. The Design section is organized into the respective parts of the campaign so that you can really personalize the design. The Page section will allow you to edit the global styles for your campaign, including the background, border, and headings. The pre-header, header, body, and footer sections allow you to edit the styles and text of each of those individual sections. The Mobile Style section lets you design how your campaign will look on your audience's mobile and tablet devices. And the Referral Badge section is where you can add the referral badge to your campaign. Go ahead and edit some hexadecimal values, borders, padding, and text from each section to get a feel for how these options work. Remember to save each section once you're satisfied with how it looks. That's it! You've learned how to design your first email campaign. For more information on email campaigns, check out our articles in the knowledge base.